How to set up Vodafone Pro 3 broadband. If you have Pro 3 broadband, here's how to set up your Ultra Hub 7, Super Wi-Fi 7 booster, and 4G broadband backup. Firstly, download or update the free Vodafone broadband app. You will need this later to set up your Ultra Hub 7 and Super Wi-Fi 7 boosters. Setting up your Ultra Hub 7. Firstly, make sure any old broadband equipment is disconnected. Now it's time to choose the best place for your Ultra Hub 7. We advise that you choose a place that is away from windows or heating, at least 1 meter away from large electrical items, and in open space. The device should be placed upright and not have anything placed on top. Open the Vodafone broadband app to set up your Ultra Hub 7. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app. The Vodafone broadband app will guide you through each step. Firstly, plug in your Ultra Hub 7. Then plug the Ultra Hub 7's power unit into the mains power socket and turn it on using the power supply unit provided. Once setup is complete, you'll see a solid white LED on your Ultra Hub 7. Plug one end of the LAN WAN cable into the Ethernet port on your fiber connection box. Then connect the other end into the red WAN port on the Ultra Hub 7. To use your landline with your Vodafone Ultra Hub 7, connect one end of the telephone cable to your telephone port and the other into the green telephone port labeled Tel1 on the Ultra Hub 7. If you requested a digital voice adapter in the box, you may need to use this. If the lights on your fiber connection box are off, there may be a problem. Firstly, check if the power is switched on either on the box itself or at the wall socket. If the power is on and the lights are still off, contact us. Now that your Vodafone Ultra Hub 7 is set up, let's connect your devices. For a wired connection, plug one end of a requested Ethernet cable into any of the free LAN ports on your Ultra Hub 7, and the other end into the Ethernet port on your device. For a Wi-Fi connection on your device, search and connect to your Vodafone Wi-Fi network. The network name and password are on the Wi-Fi card that came in the box. If your device has a QR code reader, scan the QR code on the Wi-Fi card to connect to the network. Setting up your Super Wi-Fi 7 booster. Ensure your booster is in an upright position away from large obstacles and electrical items and not have anything placed on top. Open the Vodafone broadband app and select Add a Wi-Fi booster. If you're still unable to add your booster using the app, press the WPS button at the back of your Ultra Hub 7 for 3 seconds. Then press the WPS button at the back of your booster for 3 seconds. Wait for the LED on your booster to turn solid white to indicate pairing is complete. After setting up your booster, it may take up to 5 minutes to install updates. Please don't turn off the Super Wi-Fi 7 booster or Ultra Hub 7 during this time. Once setup is complete, you'll see a solid white LED on your booster. Ensure your booster is in an upright position, away from large obstacles and electrical items, and not have anything placed on top. Setting up your 4G broadband backup. Firstly, ensure your Ultra Hub 7 is set up powered and ready. This will be indicated by a solid white LED on the front of the Ultra Hub 7. Now let's set up your broadband backup dongle. Your broadband backup dongle will ensure you stay online in the unlikely event your broadband goes down. Slide down the cover of the dongle and insert the SIM card with the chip facing down as shown on your dongle. Then replace the SIM card cover. Now plug the dongle into the USB port on the back of the Ultra Hub 7. Once inserted, the dongle will automatically set itself up. Your dongle should only ever be plugged into your Ultra Hub 7. Your broadband backup won't work if your dongle is plugged directly into a device like a laptop. It will automatically switch you to our mobile network if your main internet line goes down. The lights on the back of the Wi-Fi hub will tell you what you're connected to. When the internet light is on and solid green, you're connected to your main broadband line. Your dongle has been preloaded with 100 GB of data that refreshes every month to keep you connected. Congratulations, you're all set up with Vodafone Pro 3 broadband. Don't forget to download the My Vodafone app, separate from the Vodafone broadband app. It lets you quickly access your bills and more. Need a little more help? Head to vodafone.co.uk per BB setup.